Hey everybody, how's it going? So, I built a bot today, and I don't think I ever expected to say that out loud. I don't think I ever really thought about it before. But I got to I'm starting to work with this company called Accelirate down in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. They're the leading vendor for RPA, which is Robotic Process Automation Technology. And I'm going to give you an example of how it works because I got to play around with it, and it is really awesome. I'm working on their certification path. So basically, this technology is applicable to any sort of mundane office process that is very rule-based and governed by a lot of inputs, and it's something that can be easily quantified and broken down into steps. Basically, is a good candidate for this. So our example here, we have a company that is spread out across the world. They have various locations in various countries, and obviously all of their sales are conducted in the local currency values. So what we have here is process that would normally be accomplished by a human, where you're taking an Excel file template, starting out here, and you are going to Google, accessing the internet, grabbing the current conversion rates for the day, and then putting them back into the Excel document and basically creating a little reference table. And then it's taking each of the values for current sales for the day from the various locations around the world and whatever currency they're in, and then using that currency conversion creates a pivot table, and then creates a grand total for the day of what the total sales were in US dollars. And then it's going to save that file information under reports and file that away. And last but not least, it will open Outlook, create an email, attach that Excel document to the email with a notification, or in the email body, it's going to explain, hey, this is for sales for the day, and it's going to plug in that total. So it's really cool. I did this through their, like I said, through Accelirate's UiPath StudioX, and this is part of their either their experimental for business application or business adoption of this technology, or for developers who want to become certified in RPA. So check this out. I'm not going to touch the computer at all anymore. This is all the little bot just going to work. It's really cool. So it's grabbing that. I'm going to grab the values. It's pretty awesome. It gets going really fast. It's pretty amazing. Like I said when I started this video, I never thought I would say, "Oh, I made a bot today," but the times have changed, and this is really cool because a lot of people probably will potentially, have mixed feelings about this kind of technology, because they're like, "Whoa, it's taking away jobs," or you're taking away the data analyst or the office intern that would have normally been doing this. But I contend that you're really just freeing people up to do the things that they want to do. Nobody wants to come in to work and enter values in an Excel sheet. Like, no one wakes up and just gets excited about that. So anyway, sorry about the rant, but I had to do something to fill in the time that it took to do that. So yeah, their last one successful. And then here's the really cool part. Come into my email. And there's, oh no, wait, where is it? 9:08 p.m. or 9:08 a.m. Sorry. right here. This last one. You can see I've been doing a bunch of these, but there it is, 9:08 a.m. There's the file. Total sales for today are $2,557,547.03 United States dollars. And the file has been saved away, which you can see here. It should be under the reports. Yep, reports right here. Boom. There it is. 9:08 a.m. There's the file saved. Isn't that awesome? So, yeah. I just wanted to share that with y'all. I thought it was really cool. So, thanks for watching.